Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. Actually, I'm recording this video again because of some technical issues, and I'll be covering the overall part. Okay, so don't worry about it. So in day 3, we started with how data science comes into this play. So till now, till lecture 2, we understood the introduction to AI, under which we learn about many things such as reinforcement learning. Then we deep dive into machine learning, then deep learning, computer visions, subsets of AI. What is AI? Okay, so first of all, we'll do the fun fact, which is identical twins don't have the same fingerprints. Okay, moving to the topic, what is data science? So, data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistical methods, AI, and domain expertise to extract insights and knowledge from data. So, if you understand it deeply, so interdisciplinary field means involving two or more different fields of knowledge or study. Okay, so it may be different fields of knowledge study. This is what interdisciplinary means. Statistical means basically tools. So when we do descriptive analytics, we use many tools, right, for calculating mean, max, and average, range, etc. Then we have AI. Domain expertise means data science has its own domain and it has expertise of extracting insights and knowledge from the data available. So this is what overall data science is, that it is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistical methods, AI, and domain expertise to extract insights and knowledge from data. Now, what are the key principles of data science? So the first one may be data collection and preparation. Second one could be exploratory data and analysis. Third one could be machine learning. Fourth one could be data visualization. So if you are ever done the business analytics or any form of analytics, you would already know what is these methods, and data visualization plays a very important role in that. Okay. Next one we have is model development and evaluation. Fine. So what are the topics here? First one is data collection and preparation. Second one is exploratory data and analysis. Third one is machine learning. Fourth one is data visualization. And the last one is model development and evaluation. Now, what is linear regression? So these methods are also involved under research methodologies. So you should understand them and the meanings remain same in both the forms. Okay. So what is linear regression actually? So it is supervised machine learning that is algorithms that learns from the labeled datasets and maps the data points with most optimized linear functions which can be used for prediction on new datasets. Okay, new datasets. So let's understand it in more depth. So linear regression is supervised machine learning algos that learns from the labeled data sets, okay, and maps the data points with the most optimized linear function, that is important, which is used to predict our new data sets. Okay, so it basically helps us in doing prediction. Okay, now moving forward, it assumes, okay, so this is an important one. It assumes that there is a linear relationship between the input and the output. Okay, so this is a star point. You should star this in your notes. Okay, so linear regression assumes that there is a linear relationship. This linear regression also comes if there is an independent variable. Okay. And then we have is dependent variable. So independent variable will act as an input and dependent variable will always be acting as output for it. Okay. Now let's know what is these both terms if you don't know them individually. So first we'll be looking at what are the independent variables. Fine. So I'll be writing as IV. I hope that makes sense. So IV is in short form. It can be the variables that is changed. Okay. Or they have changing nature, like they'll be changing, they may be different. Okay. They are not fixed. Basically, they are not fixed. Now, what is dependent variable? Dependent variable is the change that happens. The change that happens because of the independent variable. So now you know how they are interconnected, right? Because IVB is the reason of dependent variable. Suppose there's a house destructed due to earthquake. So here your earthquake B is the IV and broken house will be the dependent. Understood? So DV is the change that happens here. DV is the impact that happens because of IV. So that's all for this video. I won't take it too long because I know these concepts are very new to you, and I hope you are making notes and revising from lecture 1, 2, and this is the lecture 3 one, and this will make you little bit more clear about the topics. And if you have any doubt, please put below this video or ask in Q&A. And that's all for the video. Thank you so much.